These next 2 weeks, we are going to be talking about the basic understanding of ballroom. This week, we'll be learning about each of some of the main dances in ballroom. Obviously, we will not be able to touch on all of them. But then next week, we are going to be buckling down on what some of the fundamental steps are in the ballroom world. I find that once we have a better understanding of the differences between each of the dances, it makes it a lot easier to tune our ears and our body so when we hear a song, we're able to move to it right away instead of dwelling on it and overthinking what we need to do. We're going to talk a little bit about each of the musical needs and time signatures and all of that stuff as we go through each of these dances this next week, along with understanding a bit more of the rhythm and all those little subtle differences between each of the dances. We'll start off tomorrow with our foxtrot, and throughout the remainder of this week, we'll go over our waltz, our swing, our cha-cha, salsa, and we will close out the week with our rumba. I will see you tomorrow for that foxtrot. See you then.